Hey, welcome back. Today we're changing actually the kidney grill. Now, I like it chrome silver like that, but I just recently bought a black one, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that with a new one. So stay tuned. Now, I just realized that that I actually need to remove those. So those are Torx, and I don't have Torx right now with me. So let's go ahead to AutoZone, I guess, and let's buy some Torx when we get back. And here's our Torx. I guess I'm gonna get this set. So I think I'm gonna go with this. Alright, now we're heading back. Torx that we bought actually. I think we need like the T30. I've heard like the T30 is gonna work, but hey, we're gonna give it a try anyway, so let's jump in. So here's our new kidney. They are black, glossy black. I think they are like the F10 or F30 style. They are not my E60 type, but hey, they said they fit, so I just bought them. Yeah, they're perfect, great. Let's jump in. So here's our Torx, and we said T30. Which one is T30? This looks like T30. It is. So let's put on the test. Yep, it works. Oh, shit. Whoa. The hood just pops back on. Man, I was not ready for that. Anyway, so. Oh, shit. Oops, that works. Alright. And we need to reopen the hood. Okay, there's gonna be some work for today. I think it's alright. Let's try with this. Well, actually, I can remove this rubbery thing. I've heard I need to remove those. Oh shit, my head. Working. So what I got, that would work. Here we go. So here's what am I gonna do. I'm gonna use yep, it works. So actually we need to remove this plastic right here. Actually, I was wrong. We're not removing those Torx right here. There's Torx right here. Those are the Torx what we need to remove actually. My bad, yeah, I made a mistake. First of all, let's just remove this plastic right here. Now I'll be careful with it. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, and here it is. Let's try. Let's try just. Trying to push him, but it's not working. Alright, first one worked. Second one, yep. Alright, it's working. And actually, I thought like we're using the Elenki, and it actually works. See? Ah, shit, my head. See? Put it right here. Actually, no. Oh, looking for these. And yep, it works. So yeah, I managed to take them out. That was really hard. It's not about really unscrew the Torx right here, as we said, like as many people says. It's really, you have to put your hand behind and dig it all the way back in order to get those clips. There's one on the side, that is 3 in the bottom, and there's also 3 in the bottom on top. Sorry, and there's 2 on the side. This was really hard to get them out. I get them out, but that was really challenging. And now we're gonna install the black ones. So stay tuned. Starting with this, it's gonna put it right here, and all we're gonna do is just a gentle push, and here we go. Now we're going and put the second one. I have it on in the trunk. We have to open the trunk. And here's our second one. The second kidney grill. So we're gonna put this on here. See, my hand is really messed up. Okay, it's not working perfectly, it's not fitting perfectly, but and here we go. Now all I gotta do is put the torque specs and we're done. And yep, and that's how it looks like after the install. Looks pretty amazing. I like it. Pretty cool. Nice. And one more last thing before we end the video, we have a sick logo right here. Just peel it off. Be careful while peeling it off. I'm gonna plant my heart, put down some roots, and watch it grow. Girl, gonna see us through. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. Feels like home.